Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for staying in touch with me. So today I do have this fun chrome and sugaring kit which I picked up from Creative Beauty, and this is by Wildflowers, a new to me brand. Honestly guys, I am so glad I picked this up. There's so many options to do and I love the effects of everything. So if you'd like to see more in regards to these products, let's get started. Okay, so today I am back and I will be sharing the Wildflowers Powdered Sugar Kit. So in this kit you get 4 chrome pigments and 4 mermaid glitters, and they're supposed to pop over a variety of backgrounds. I'm going to show them over black and white just so you get an idea of, well, I'm going to show the pigments, the chrome pigments over black and white so you get an idea of like how it would look over black and white. And then for the powdered sugars, I'm gonna go in with some stamping and show you something that I've really wanted to try since I saw these. So I like the little packaging that it comes in, and you do get like 8 really decent sized jars. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this for you guys. So like even from them being upside down, this one you can see in the corner here, it has like a greenish hue. This one has a purpley hue. So I'm really excited for these. So we're gonna start with the chromes and then I'll go in with the mermaid glitters. So the first 4 chromes I will be showing you are Fuchsia Chrome, Gold Effect, Gunmetal, and Teal. So I'm actually really excited, guys. So this is what the packaging looks like. And in each package you get 4 grams. And honestly guys, that's more than enough to last you quite some time. So first up is the Fuchsia Chrome. Like even when I shift it, you can see like the purple hue that it has. So it has like a plastic protected just so that you don't waste or have waste of the pigment coming out of the jar. So like I have some here which I can use, so that's really good. But as you can see, like it's got the little squares, so when you need it you would just pour some out. But I like this protective covering. So I've already gone ahead and I have prepped my tips using black and white. I know the lines aren't straight, guys. As much as I was trying to make them straight, it doesn't really bother me for the video. And I've already gone in with my magic gel Tackless Hyper Shine, cured it for 30 seconds so that I can apply the chrome pigment. So I'll just be going in with one of my eyeshadow applicators. I've gotten so many of these from like orders from Warm Pretty store, but I'm sure you can find these like maybe at Walmart in a pack or Amazon. And I've just picked up some here and I'm just gonna rub it in or burnish it in. So this is the Fuchsia Chrome, Fuchsia Mermaid pigment, or the chrome pigment. It is very strong over like black or darker color, but then over white you get like a purpley hue, but it's more pearlescent, but you can still see like the purple reflective, which is really nice. So next I will be going in with the Gold Effect. And even when I angle it, you can see like right in here that gold reflective. So this one comes again with the plastic protective, they all do. And as you can see, like the little squares there is where it would come out from. So I'm just gonna knock some into the lid here just to make it easier for myself. But like you really don't need a lot. Like even this I think was too much. But you can already see the gold, guys. Isn't that beautiful? So here we have the gold chrome. Very strong over black. I love how this looks over the dark color. And you still get that gold reflective over the lighter color. I wish my camera was showing it up a bit better. But this also has like another pearlescent finish over like white or a lighter color. But maybe if I did like a red, the gold would be a bit stronger, even if it was a lighter red, for example. Next is the Gunmetal Chrome. And here we have the Gunmetal Chrome. Honestly, I love chrome pigments. Like, you have no idea how many different nail art ideas are going through my mind right now. And the last chrome that I will be sharing is Teal. This looks like it's gonna be so gorgeous. Some spilled out already, but I don't mind. Like, that doesn't really bother me. See, this one over the white pulls more pinky, but you can still get like a hint of green, and over the black it's like very prominent. And it's a very strong teal chrome over the darker color. There's so many fun things to do with chrome, guys, so I'm excited that I did pick up this pack. Like, right now I have no complaints. I'm impressed with the chromes that I've tried so far. So next I'm going to be going in and trying the sugars and see how they look. So now I'll be going in and sharing the sugaring or dust powders or sugar dust, I don't know, but I'm going to be going in and sharing the sugaring part of the kit, and I'm super excited. Like, since I bought these, I've been dying to try them out. So there are four, so there's 4 chromes, 4 sugarings. So we have Fairy Dust, Silver Mermaid, Lily Pond, and Amber Fire. So first I will be starting off with Amber Fire. And just like when I was doing the chromes, I've already gone in and picked a few colors that I will be prepping my tips with, or not prepping, that I'm going to be using with the tips, just for the sake of saving some time with the video. So this one, the top like came right off, which is okay. But guys, look. Doesn't that look so pretty? You don't have to use like a similar color with the sugaring powder, but it's up to you. But I had prepped this one with red, or painted this one with red, and I didn't even realize that there was like an ambery, fiery kind of one, so it was just convenient. Anyway, I'm going in with my Magic Gel Tackless Hyper Shine, and I will be using my Ugly Duckling tool here, because remember, this is my 2-in-1 tool that I'm really happy about. So this is where I get the spatula when I need to stir up the gels, and this side has like the little scoop that I can use for the sugaring powder. So I'm just gonna go in, scoop some up, and sprinkle it onto the nail. And I'm keeping the tray that I use for my glitters underneath, just so it will capture any of the glitter that does fall, because then I can put it back. And I'm just going in trying to make sure that like the entire nail gets covered. Look at how fun that is. So I'm going to go ahead and cure this, and then I'm going to brush off the excess. So I've gone ahead and cured this, and I'm just going in with a hard brush and brushing off any of the excess. Like, look at how fun this is, guys. Now, of course, you could do this and put top coat over it. It just will take away from it. So I've gone ahead and brushed off any excess loose glitter pigment that might be there. And it really is such a fun thing to do with sugaring. Like, you can do so many different things. You can actually apply a top coat over it, but I find that when you do apply the top coat, it takes away from like the textured effect. So this has like a goldish, reddish effect to it, and I like that I can still see the red color under it. So the next sugar that I'm going to show you is called Lily Pond. So for this one, I'm going to do something different. So with the first one I showed you was over like full coverage over a nail. This one I've already gone ahead and stamped and top coated. So what I'm going to go in and do now is I'm just going to take a little bit of like the clear top coat, trace out this like the snowflakes where I want the sugaring to be, and then sprinkle the sugar on top so you can get an idea of how that looks. So for this one I've already gone in and I have done some stamping and then I top coated. I'm just going to go back in and try to trace some of the snowflakes with the same stamping polish that I used. Gone in and retrace that to the best of my ability. I'm just going to go back in with the scoop part of my duck paddle and apply some of this sugaring right over here. I'm thinking maybe I should just do this one too. So I'll go ahead and do that quickly. So I'm going to go ahead now and I'm just going to give that a cure. So now that this has finished curing, I'm just going to go in with a hard brush. Brush off any of the excess that's just sitting on top. And how cool is that, guys? So while these images are smooth and under the top coat, it gives it like a 3D or even a raised effect. I love these ones. So if you want to compare Amber Fire and Lily Pond, so this one is Amber Fire, this one is Lily Pond, you can tell like the glitters do have a difference to them. This one is more goldish, brownish, reddish, and this one has more of like iridescence to it. Very, very beautiful both of them. So the next one that I'm going to be sharing is called Fairy Dust. This one looks like it's just going to have like different holographic type properties to it with the different shimmer reflects. So this one, instead of me leaving it with a textured finish, I'm going to apply some of the top coat, apply the sugar, and then I'm going to come back in and go in with the top coat. Then you guys will see the difference that I was talking about. Thing about when you're using like sugaring for this kind of effect, you need to make sure that the glitters that you're using are like really dense. These ones are super, super dense. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a quick cure. So Fairy Dust has gone ahead and finished curing. So now I'm just taking off any excess. And now I'm going to go in and apply my top coat. You can already tell like it smoothed it out completely, but you still can get the like stunning shimmer from it. And the last one, guys, and after this that will be it. The last one that I'll be sharing is called Silver Mermaid. So this one is just a silver sugar. Oh, this one doesn't want to come out as easy as the other ones, but that's okay. So I'm basically gonna do what I did with the other snowflake pattern. Just gonna go in, trace the snowflake, and throw some of this gorgeousness on top of it. And here is what this design looks like with the Silver Mermaid sugaring. Like, look at how fun that snowflake design is, just with that little extra oomph from the sugaring on top, and then I just left this one. So like for example, depending on the image you use, you can sugar part of it, you could just add little sprinkles like if you just wanted some extra sparkle on this side. And I didn't go in and top coat it just because I didn't want to take away from the textured finish that you get. Like, I'm not sure if you guys can even tell, but okay, maybe from this angle you can see that it is raised compared to being smooth like this image. And here we have it for the 8-piece Chrome and Sugaring Collection by Wildflowers. Guys, honestly, this is my first time trying anything from this brand, and I am so impressed. Like, I've had chromes and a few sugars from Born Pretty store, and they're good quality. Don't get me wrong, I'm not knocking anything from Born Pretty store, but these are really, really good quality too. Like, I am so glad that I picked these up. And from my understanding, I don't think they do come separately where I bought them from at Creative Beauty. I think it comes in the kit, but I will double check, and if they do come separately, I can list them down below for you. But regardless, I will have the entire kit listed down below. If you are able to get your hands on these, guys, I highly recommend them. Like, don't be surprised when you're starting to see like winter and I'm throwing sugaring all over my nail art, because I love glitter, I love things like that, I love chrome. So let me know what you guys thought of this video. Do you like videos like this? Do you want me to do a set with any of the chrome or the sugars? You know, let me know down below. I always love when you guys give me feedback in regards to the videos you like or you want to see. As always, thank you so much for sticking tuned with me and watching my channel. Please do give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you will be notified when I do post more content. Until next time, stay glamorous.